actress I friend is Borga Sylvia san will be a nimuno I our acting moving be a friend Kumasi young corn a lady asama beto bontia Ghana for will be a do support a big crack as not just say so to me a trip a pay dia not just say Subaina ya de man who Kumasi young corn not just say a your no ankasani Subaya a one who papa be a better your repa a foot so the name Sama Juma a year and as a choir Borga Sylvia then I first word Trinity and then ye as some papa. When I Sylvia tins some one Casancasa Sylvia dear, one Casa name more branty or nenam, I send a PR or nenam, I a friend of Bempano, or no dear new year by Sepa Pano 7 year way and ye unity winning because near was some way and to Tribia or some way, Sicabia or some would chia papanibia, woman Triana as same yenua. Yanko a year or your prefer to near papa, and Sylvia, ni PR or no so, ne some no so at Betuja, Embraces here.
Everything you want to know about Borga Sylvia issue will be dropping here soon. Don't be too quick to judge. I want not twice so adding some the buyer. Now starting off next I see the food just way and the correct just ben pa edible free Borga Sylvia no kasa nenum eba. This man in the early 90s traveled from Santorini, Greece to seek for greener pastures in Australia. As at that time, Borga Sylvia was only 18 years old and had completed high school then. The man was friends to Madam Ante Naa, Borga Sylvia's mom's younger sister. The man, in the quest to find permanent residence in Sydney, appealed to Madam Ante Naa to allow her fake marriage with a Kumawood actress so her papers could be granted with ease. They all agreed to that, and Madam Ante Naa deliberated on an undisclosed amount of money with the man in order to get the marriage certification done. The man made the payment to Madam Ante Naa and not Borga Sylvia herself, as at that time. Borga Sylvia in her early 30s had found her fiancé and they planned getting married. Now, Osha first poster, Bempa, now was saying way back 20 years ago, and a man ni share Borga Sylvia, Maminia, or the two names of Pobia Warren said about the papers. Ebedimu said papa na nkasa kwotena na show so e kan nsem said the name sika na papa na nkasa Borga Sylvia agye dinum wentu ama no Sylvia name ne ma menua no e na otwe sika e de ma no na so aware no se ebegina anase nyina sika kwampo papa na gye no ono Borga Sylvia no oni ho hwe kopem se oba ga na obehia ne dofo yes one no ebe warranty sa time no de no oni papa no eni twaka bia oto aso de nsem bi eba se Borga Sylvia had, as at that time, been coming to Ghana, so she met the love of her life and they all agreed to get married. They got married, and after some few years later, the husband to whom she got married to wanted to join his wife in Australia. Borga Sylvia had no option but to terminate her fake legal marriage with the man who went to Europa today. She compensated the man with the money and he paid to her mom, Madam Ante Naa, for their marriage certification. The man agreed and accepted the money. After then, Borga Sylvia's former husband got his Australian visa and joined the wife. The man again was influenced by his family members to request for additional amounts of money, of which Borga Sylvia paid again. After paying the money for the second time, the man threatened to invoke curses on Borga Sylvia while he demanded for another compensation. Borga Sylvia, who was already settled, paid the money and left the man alone. We any bempa nenso mo de abasa no Borga Sylvia kasa and this information amanom. Now share second statement na me read at the man na we trim say Borga Sylvia ba Ghana obehia ne dofo ne be ware no omo ware ye eche no person de ne kunu eko Australia. It's na hu hia say aware no wadi kan ware first illegal no obetwetwam na one ne kunu etumi ato omabrabo so otwetwa mu eche papa ne ba ne life mu be demand iska esa so ka say won tia additional money nyina no chia na so papa ne busuafo bi e na share chiro mu pie papa ne tiko e no bebo ne dua wo chena be kese na ni na no den na kopie mu e wo Ante Naa shows nto ndo woka maga na fo nyina ate say ne papa ne ni twa kan bia o ma settle mu issues o ma solve be free hon mo nim de nte papa no still na no wo de ne ko Ante Naa shows so ye be ka ya bro ko Ante Naa honom Ante Naa mo de to just mo try so me na Borga Sylvia no me no akasa no so achechem se sika no betua anase wontua ne ma me fresi so ane ma me ka se oh papa ne do mo twa ne sika nyina de ama no o me ni problem bia sem we ene no so abebo ma me de abofo bi aba ho a mesan so e da ba be so mo se de etiem
me da asibiem se wo twa me makra